Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
All right, weather's going to get a little more active here as we head into the weekend. Today's been pretty calm. We've had a few snow flurries in spots, mainly this morning. You can see a few of those still ongoing here across West Virginia, and some clouds streaming in from the north and west as well. But generally a mainly clear sky today and a pretty nice day, though it was rather chilly. Check out these temperatures at this hour at the freezing point in many locations or below that. 28 in Mountain City, 30s across the Tri-Cities, 23 in Lebanon, 25 in Abingdon, 23 in Wise, and 26 in Big Stone Gap. Temperatures only going to go down as we go into the overnight, dropping down into the teens. Tomorrow, though, we recover into the 40s, looking for highs generally around 41. Towards Rome Mountain, a little cooler towards the North Carolina high country, only in the 30s there. But Tri-Cities 43, 44 with mostly sunny skies. The system that's going to impact us over the weekend does not move in tomorrow, doesn't really move in a whole lot for the early overnight of Friday. It's really closer to Saturday morning when we start to see the impact. So let's walk you through future track here. Winds out of the northwest tonight and into tomorrow, helping to usher in that cooler air across the region. Notice as we go into Friday, especially Friday evening, the clouds start to increase, and by around 3 to 4 a.m., some of that snow is starting to move in. This is part of a system that's developing out towards the west and will advance our way here as we go into Saturday morning. So here we are at 5:45 in the morning with some light snow across the area. This is probably going to be the most likely time we see any snow during the day on Saturday. It's that morning time frame, because by afternoon, we start to move the moisture out of here and some warmer temperatures actually come in. We're going to hit highs in the 40s on Saturday afternoon, but before that, some wintry weather does move through. Let's talk about the snowfall forecast and what we're expecting, because depending on where you live, it will differ a good amount. 1 inch or less for the Tri-Cities, and closer to probably 0 or an inch as you go further south towards Greene County. Most places will see about a dusting to an inch. It's not going to be a big deal. It's about a tenth of what we saw back in December for that storm. 1 to 3, though, across some of the higher terrain across southwest Virginia, up to 2 inches towards portions of Washington County, Virginia, and then into the higher terrain of North Carolina, and especially towards White Top. That's where snow chances are a little bit better. Up to 5 inches, perhaps, up near White Top's peak. You get the higher elevation to come into play. And here across portions of eastern Smith County, we could also see some higher amounts as well. Road conditions, they'll be a little slick on Saturday morning in spots across the region. Same thing for southwest Virginia. Mountains, though, of North Carolina and Tennessee, that's to be the best chance for any snow. As I talked about, temperatures will actually be going up. We started off in the 30s on Saturday morning. Here we are Saturday at 5 o'clock. You notice highs 43, 45, 46 degrees across the metro area, across northeast Tennessee. That's why we're going to see that precipitation type change to mostly rain as we go into the overnight. But that cooler air sticks in across the area for the mountains. So another surge of moisture comes our way Saturday night into Sunday, with more snow possible across the higher terrain. While I think most of the Tri-Cities area, most of northeast Tennessee, with the exception of Johnson County and parts of Carter County, likely stay all rain. Rain showers are with us throughout the day on Sunday, and then another quick little batch of snow could come through Sunday night into Monday, giving us another light dusting or so. Won't be a big deal for that Sunday night into Monday thing, but a few slick spots will be possible on that Monday morning commute. As I talked about, temperatures tonight frigid, down to 17 degrees. Tomorrow, increasing clouds with highs in the 40s. And check out your Storm Track 5 7-day forecast. It's a busy one through the weekend, but once again, this will be a relatively minor storm, especially compared to the one we saw in December, but still one that could cause some problems. Studies have proven over the years that more car accidents and injuries actually occur in minor snowstorms than in bigger snowstorms. And it makes sense, because everyone goes out and drives in and they think it's just an inch of snow, I can drive in that. And they realize that snow and ice is still pretty slick no matter how much it is. Because by 10 inches, you can't even get your car out of the driveway. That was my problem last time. But we'll keep you updated through the week.
That's an interesting perspective. Be careful, whatever's out there on the road.
Yes, indeed.
All right, Ricky, thanks so much.